Today for our PWS activity, we're going to do an activity that we've already done before. First, we're going to choose 5 to 6 words that we want to know how to spell. We're going to have our teacher check them to make sure that we spelled them correctly. Then, we're going to have this paper with all of these letters on them. We're going to cut them out. Then, we're going to follow these things. First, we're going to write the word. Then, we're going to build it with these letters. And then we're going to mix them up and build it again. My first word is because. I wrote because on the line. Now I'm going to use my letters to spell it out. I can look at this note card that I have, or I can look at my paper where I wrote because on the line. Once I have my word finished, I'm going to mix it up and then I'm going to do this again. Once I've done it 3 times, I can put a check mark in the box beside the word because. After I do this for all of my words, I'll be done.